Yeah, guys. So let's start. So we're going to check on gold. Let's check gold. Gold, we are still holding along. We are on a buy. We are seeing. Let me do something here before. All right. All right. Wait a minute. All right. What am I doing? What am I going to do here? For our, I remember I shared this analysis on my previous video. So the journey continues. As you can see, we're still holding gold buy. This is our TP, and then I'm going to analyze on top of this the chart here and everything. Let me remove some things. I can remove this one, and then okay, this one I'm not going to remove. As you can see, we from here, and then we had this trend line here of which it was respected, and then the market did that, came back down to the same level of what's this ascending trend line. So we had ourselves and another entry here somewhere around this level, and then we are still holding. So what is it that we are looking for? We are looking for another entry at this level. Why? Because this is the level of resistance. If you can check, we have this level here of which is our support area. I mean, at first it was our resistance, but it turned into our support. This is our flip zone, whereby support or resistance is changed to support or resistance. So we are looking forward to see the market do what? Continues to the upside from this level, because already we broke out this one. So what's next? We are waiting for this Shandays to do something like this now, and then come back maybe to test this level, and then continues to the upside. So we will be testing somewhere around this level, meaning possibilities of us shifting this thing and take our profit at around this level is high. So we are coming somewhere around this level. So this is the way I'm going to take my profit, somewhere around this level. Somewhere around this level. So this was the gold update. So moving to smaller time frames. Moving to smaller time frames. Smaller time frames. What I meant by smaller time frames. This is an hourly chart. So what do we have here? We have this pin bar here, of which is at our zone. This is our zone here. This is our zone. So what is going to happen, or what I have done, or what are we expecting? We or I did something like this, because I had to wait for at least a bullish candlestick to close. So this is what I did. So I have a position, an open position now, and then take profit, coming somewhere here, take profit. So if ever an opportunity arises again, we're going to do what? We're going to do the same thing, enter and take profit there. So this is swinging. When it's swinging, you must be patient. It's all about patience. So we have 3 confirmations here. And that's why we bought. And then a pin bar, and then it close off a bullish candlestick, and then this what do we call support here, support level, and then again a test of a trend line after it was broken to the upside. So this is our trade going to the upside. So let me check each other one. nzdusd. nzdusd we missed an entry here. We missed an entry. This is H1. We missed an entry. So nzdusd we missed an entry, but another one was presented again here, of which is a good buy, and then you can still buy. So let's check. We had this ascending trend line, and then it was broken, of which it was a fake out. They were testing this level here. We have a level here. We have a level here. Only if you are going to understand. We have a level here, and then it was a fake out, and then after they moved to the upside. So this is our second touch of trend line. Remember, this is point X, A, B, or 0, 1, 2. So let me see if ever there's something that I can do for you here. And then what else do we have? We still have a level. This one. Somewhere here around this level. Somewhere around this level. Somewhere around this level, meaning we're going to see this Shandesi move from there to somewhere around this level. So if it breaks out, we know that we're going to have something like this. I'm not saying it's going to happen exactly like this, but we're going to have something like this, and then we're going to continue to the upside, and then this is going to be our take profit. So for now, I don't want to dive deep into this one, but for now we can have a buy, and then at least something like 1:2, or 1:1.5. It's not really that much of a good trade, but the only thing you can do when you're in profit, you can at least try to protect your profit, because the possibility of it coming up here is we still have a lot of information that we can use around this level. So we are coming up here. We are coming up here. Where now we are coming up here to this level. I'm checking something. So be patient. Where's minus? So we are swinging. So right, I was checking something on my chat, so it's fine. So yeah, so this is it. So let me try to check another one. EurJpy. I remember I give you this. All right, this one. It's a retest of this one. Same thing around this level, and then still coming here. Still coming here. This one. Let's forget about it. Okay, let's get to Nasdaq or NAS 100 or whatever that. NAS 100, and then this one was taken up on break even. So let's remove this. Let's remove all. Let's remove all of this. We have a level here, level of support, level of support. So, and then here we have a level again. So, according to my view, like as you can see, the market is still consolidating. So this one, it's a bit tricky because a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on this one because majority are looking forward to buy, and we are still in a consolidation here. So the best way to trade this one, because I think they are going to do this. They are going to go down first, and then that's when they're going to go up if ever they will continue going to the upside. So in this case, I suggest one waits for for a breakout of this consolidation. All right, so if ever the market breaks to the downside, if ever a retest is presented, something like this, that's where you can sell, but you must know that you are selling up to this level, and then from there, that's where you're going to look for buy opportunities, because they will always make sure that they take stops out. So you must be careful. So the only way to trade this thing is to wait for a break. If it's a breakout to the downside, wait for a breakout. This will be a fake move to the downside to trap to trap sellers so that they can move to the upside. So another thing, if let's take you bought somewhere around this level, you can also wait to swing this or to continue holding to the upside. You can wait for Nasdaq to break this level and maybe retest. I'm not sure it's going to retest, and maybe we test. So when it retests, that's where you're going to maybe buy again or hold it to the upside to 1300, 13,000, not 1300, 1300. The first take profit can be this one around the 12,500, 12,500, because that's an institutional level. So for now, if you are patient enough, wait for the market to come to this level or wait for a breakout to the upside, upwards. So you can wait for something like this, but I will prefer it when maybe like when this level is broken, because we might have something like this. If they break to the upside, we might have something like this retest. It can okay somewhere around this level, not here. Why? Because this is a level of support or resistance. So you can wait for something like this if you want to wait for a breakout to the upside. So that was Nasdaq. So GbpUsd. GbpUsd is still holding a buy. As you can see, I'm still holding a buy, and then this level is broken. At least you can see I said it was going to come in at this level and then come and test it. If you can see, this level was broken, and then they tried to test it. So anything is still possible. We can still see GbpUsd dollar come to this level before they continue to the upside, but still holding. It's all about patience. So I think I've been holding this type for so long because I remember my first interest was somewhere around this level, and then the other one was. So it's been like this. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. As you can see, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Trade your plan. Stick to the plan. There's nothing much on this thing. It's the matter of patience. It's the matter of patience. So this one is useless. So simple, just like this. Simple, just like this. We're still going to see this thing come to the upside somewhere around this level. But remember, this won't happen in 2 days or 3 days or whatsoever. But still going to see it push to the upside. But at the end of the day, we want to see GbpUsd test somewhere around this level. Let me check if ever there's any references from this side. Yes, there is. You see, we want to see GbpUsd come somewhere around this level. Come somewhere around this level. Come somewhere around this level. This is so. This is simple. This is simple. This is simple. So GBP, JPY. What am I writing? GBP, JPY. Right there. This one, I'm looking for a buy. I hear the buy somewhere on this level, and then let me check something here. Because I think, yeah, I had the buy somewhere around this level, and then I moved my stop to break even. Then it took me out. Yeah, this one took me out. So what is it that I'm waiting for? I'm waiting to GBP USD. I mean GBP JPY come back to this level here, and then after that, that's what I'm going to take my enter, and then continue to the upside. Continue to the upside. I will be looking forward to do something like this, and then all to the upside. Then all to the upside. And then, yeah, surely at some time it will be respecting this. So we might have some sort of a big rejection here. Yeah, so let's wait and see. So yeah, there's nothing much on this thing, guys. So this is it. US dollar index is right. Let me check on this one. Check on this one. So for stocks to go up, Nasdaq and then other stocks, indices like Nasdaq, for them to go up, we must see this thing for. So it is about to fall. So, but we must first at least have some fake out on those other ones before it continues to the downside. So this one is going to guide us, but I really don't use it that much. But let's wait. I'm not going to dive that much deep down into this one because I hardly use it. I focus on what I do most of the time, and like I'm not that much of a correlation trader because what I'm doing now is a correlation. So if this one continues to the downside, expect Nasdaq to go up, and then even these other ones, stocks, yeah, they will go up. So yeah, this is it, guys. So yeah, okay. Yo, I thought this thing was not recording, so it is recording. So this was some of my views, guys. I'm not saying I'm right 100% with what I'm doing, but it works for me. It works for me. Like I'm seeing good returns, good profit. So yeah. So yeah, guys. So this is what I wanted to share with you. So please, guys.